Introduction to Azure Synapse Serverless Query. Azure Synapse Serverless Query is a cloud-based analytics service that allows users to query data from various sources without having to manage infrastructure. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up and using Azure Synapse Serverless Query. Step 1. Setting up Azure Synapse. To start using Azure Synapse Serverless Query, you need to set up an Azure Synapse workspace. This involves creating a new workspace and selecting the serverless option. You will also need to create a storage account to store your data. Step 2. Preparing your data. Before you can query your data, you need to prepare it by loading it into your storage account. You can do this using various methods such as uploading files or using data pipelines. Make sure your data is in a format that can be queried, such as CSV or Parquet. Step 3. Creating a database. To query your data, you need to create a database in Azure Synapse. This involves defining the schema of your data and creating tables. You can do this using SQL scripts or by using the Azure Synapse interface. Step 4. Writing queries. Once your data is loaded and your database is created, you can start writing queries. Azure Synapse supports standard SQL syntax and also provides additional features such as query optimization and result caching. You can write queries using the Azure Synapse interface or by using SQL clients such as SQL Server. Management Studio. Step 5. Optimizing queries. To get the best performance from your queries, you need to optimize them. This involves selecting the right data types and indexing your data. You should also consider using query optimization techniques such as partitioning and caching. Best practices. When using Azure Synapse Serverless Query, make sure to follow best practices such as securing your data and monitoring your usage. You should also consider using Azure Synapse templates and examples to get started quickly. Conclusion. Azure Synapse Serverless Query is a powerful tool for analyzing data from various sources. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up and start using Azure Synapse Serverless Query. Remember to optimize your queries and follow best practices to get the most out of the service. With Azure Synapse Serverless Query, you can focus on analyzing your data without worrying about managing infrastructure.